Hello, viewers. Thank you for joining us for ICRA's podcast on India's macroeconomy. In this month's edition, I think we have two major things that we can discuss. One, of course, is the tariffs that the US has imposed on India, and the second is the recently released data on the government of India's fiscal health. Now, on the tariff side, broadly the developments have been a little unexpected and a little adverse. Firstly, the tariff imposed on India as of now is only marginally lower than what had been indicated earlier, and is also higher than the same for many other of the export competitors. Now, if we look at the sectoral impact, it appears to be negative to neutral for absolutely all of the sectors that we have looked at, and therefore the growth impact will definitely be on the adverse side. There is also penalty that is to be imposed because of the food that India imposes from Russia, and the level of that penalty is known as of now. Now, what we've done is lowered our growth projection for FY26 to 6% from 6.2%. And depending on the extent of the penalties that are imposed, we may end up having to reduce the growth forecast for this fiscal further. Nevertheless, looks like there are lots of I's to be dotted and T's to be crossed as of now, and this is probably not going to be the last word on tariffs and their impact on Indian economic growth. The fiscal side, however, was mixed, and I think there are some takeaways for the Indian economy for growth, particularly that are quite positive. Government of India's fiscal deficit doubled on a small base in the first quarter of this year. But it still remained lower than what it was, in the first quarter of FY24, for instance. The positives are that capital expenditure grew at a very sharp pace, and in fact can now contract in the last 9 months of the year and still achieve the budget estimate. We believe that fiscal buffers which are available are actually going to allow the government of India to increase the capital expenditure beyond the budgeted level, and this will be quite positive for growth, both in Q1 and hopefully in the rest of the year, and therefore be able to offset some of the pain that we fear will be forthcoming because of the tariff issue. On the revenue side, non-tax revenues have done very well, partly because of the higher than expected dividend that came in from the RBI in this quarter. Direct tax revenues in particular look pretty tepid. However, there seem to be a lot of refunds and base effects as well. And therefore, we don't think that this is necessarily a very good bellwether for what we should expect in the rest of the year. As of now, we do think that Government of India's fiscal health remains intact and should be able to support a higher than budgeted capex for the year. And this hopefully will be able to offset some of the negatives coming out because of the tariffs that have been imposed on India. Thank you for listening and see you next month.